Let's work on this. As you can see in this place, this one has 2. If I work on this, I can get 2 raised to power 4. Okay? So this is the family of 2. But I can't move forward. I cannot. So I need to change the base. Because it's a family of 2, I will use 2 to change the base. So this one will take 2. This one will also take 2. That is all over okay? So this is 2 raised to power 4. This 4 can come to this place. This is 2 raised to power 1 over 2. So the 1 over 2 can come to this place. This and this will cancel. We have 4 over 1 over 2 equals to x. You agree with me? If you flip this, now you're going to have 4 times 2 equals to x. S therefore is equals to 8. You agree? Look at it very well. That is the answer.